Everyone, welcome back to the channel English Literature. I am Ankita and we gather here to discuss Indian English literature. As in last video, we discussed MEG 10 Block 2, Henry Louis Vivian Desrosiers, the early voice of identity, in which we studied his struggled life and his contribution as early voice of identity. Let's move further with next video. In that, we'll study about Michael Madhusudan Dutt and the evolution of modernity. So let's discuss. Madhusudan Dutt time period was 1824 to 1873, was a pivotal figure in the evolution of modern Bengal literature and played a significant role in introducing Western literary styles and themes into Bengali writings. His contributions and the evolution of modernity in Bengali literature can be understood through several key aspects. So, early life and education. Born in Sagadari, Jessore, now in Bangladesh, Dutt was exposed to Western education and culture from a young age. He attended Hindu College in Calcutta, where he was influenced by English literature and Western ideas. His initial fascination with English poetry led him to write English before he shifted his focus to Bengali. Literary contributions. First is poetry. Dutt is best known for his epic poems, particularly Meghnad Badh Kavya, The Slaying of Meghnad, which is considered a masterpiece of Bengali literature written in blank verse, and these works interpret the Ramayana from the perspective of the antagonist Meghnad, that's mean Indrajit. This epic marked a departure from the traditional Vaishnava and Bhakti poetry that dominated Bengali literature, showcasing a modern secular and humanistic approach. Second, drama. He was also a pioneer in Bengali drama. His plays such as Shramishta and Ekeli Ki Bole Sabhyata is the civilization introduced modern themes and Western dramatic structures, contrasting sharply with the mythological and religious themes prevalent in earlier Bengali plays. Third, prose and essays. Dutt's essays and letter reflects his engagement with contemporary social and cultural issues. He was an advocate for modern education and progressive social reforms, including women's education and the abolition of outdated customs. Influence of Western literature. Dutt's exposure to English literature significantly influenced his writing style and thematic choices. He drew inspiration from European poets such as John Milton and Lord Byron, which is evident in his use of blank verse and the Byronic hero archetype in his works. This blend of Western literary techniques with Bengali sensibility marked a significant evolution in Bengali literature, steering it towards modernity. Legacy and modernity. Michael Madhusudan Dutt's legacy lies his ability to synthesize Western literary forms and Bengali content, thus laying the foundation of modern Bengali literature. His works challenged the established norms and expanded the horizons of Bengali literary expression, incorporating elements of realism, humanism, and individualism. His innovative approach not only enriched Bengali literature but also inspired future generation of writers and poets of experiment with new styles and themes, contributing to the broader cultural and intellectual renaissance in Bengal during the 19th century, often referred to as Bengal Renaissance. So now let's discuss conclusion. Michael Madhusudan Dutt was a transformative figure in Bengali literature through its incorporation and Western literary techniques and his engagement with contemporary social issues. He played a crucial role in the evolution of modernity in Bengali literature. His works continue to be celebrated for their artistic merit and their pioneering spirit. Michael Madhusudan Dutt's pioneering efforts were instrumental in forging a path of subsequent literary developments in Bengal. His fearless experimentation and creative innovation not only established few benchmarks in literary quality but also broadened the scope of Bengali literature. By challenging the orthodoxy and introducing secular and humanistic themes, Dutt's works paved the way for a more inclusive and progressive literary culture. His legacy is seen in the way Bengali literature evolved post his era, embracing modernity and reflecting the complexities of contemporary life. Thus, impact expanded beyond literature, influencing Bengali theatre, social thought, and culture identity. His emphasis on individuality, critical thinking, and artistic freedom resonated with the burgeoning nationalist and reformist sentiments of his time. Moreover, Dutt's contribution underscored the importance of cross-cultural exchange in enriching national literature. His synthesis of Eastern and Western literary transition not only advanced Bengali literature but also exemplified the dynamic interplay between local and global cultural currents. This intercultural dialogue continues to be relevant today as literary transition worldwide seek a balanced heritage with innovation. In sum, Michael Madhusudan Dutt's legacy is a testament to the transformative power of literature. His work embodies the spirit of modernity, characterized by a commitment to artistic excellence, cultural fusion, and social progress. As a pioneer of modern Bengali literature, Dutt's influence endures, inspiring writers and thinkers to explore new frontiers while staying rooted in their culture ethic. Now let's end the lecture here only. Thanks for watching the video. Stay connected, stay healthy. Bye bye.